In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace your HEPA filters and carbon pre-filters on the Honeywell HPA 5000 series of air purifiers. This process is identical for the entire series, with the only difference being the HPA 5100 uses one HEPA filter, the HPA 5200 uses two HEPA filters, and the HPA 5300 uses three HEPA filters. Your HPA 5000 series comes with a filter check indicator on the top of the unit, letting you know to change your filters. When the pre-filter is covered with dust and particles, it's time to change your pre-filter. When the HEPA filters have changed from white to gray or black, it's time to change your HEPA filters. It is recommended to change your pre-filter once every 3 months and your HEPA filters once every year. If you're using the Honeywell Filter S, it is recommended to be changed every 3 months. A common question asked with these filters is, can I wash or vacuum my filters? It is not recommended to wash your non-washable HEPA filters. This can damage the mesh of fibers that allows the filter to remove particles from the air. To change your filters, you'll want to first turn off and unplug your unit. Next, remove the grill on the front of the unit by pulling on the top corners. Now you should be able to see your pre-filter. Remove the pre-filter. If you're using the Honeywell Filter S, these will be located in front of your HEPA filters. Remove these before touching your HEPA filters. Each HEPA filter should have a tab that you can pull to remove. The HPA 5000 series uses Filter R HEPA filters and Filter A carbon pre-filters. Compatible does not mean comparable. For the best performance, use only genuine Honeywell air purifier filters. Compatible air purifier filter replacements are not guaranteed to offer the same performance or efficiency. All genuine Honeywell filters can be found at honeywellstore.com and will be linked in the description. Once you have your new HEPA filters and pre-filters opened and ready to go, it's time to insert them. Each HEPA filter has an airflow arrow on the side to show which direction these filters should be inserted. When inserting, make sure the tabs on the side are facing outward and not accidentally tucked in. If you're using the Honeywell Filter S, place the Filter S in front of the HEPA filter with the removable pull tabs facing outward. Now that your HEPA filters and Filter S's are installed, it's time to put in the carbon pre-filter. Insert the carbon pre-filter into the tabs around the front of the unit that hold it into place. With all filters and pre-filters changed, you can now place the front grille back onto the unit. To do this, place the tabs on the bottom of the grill into the corresponding holes on the front of the unit. Then push the rest of the grill into place and press in on the top corners of the grill. As previously mentioned, on the top of the HPA 5000 series there is a filter check light. After you've finished replacing your filters, you'll want to reset this indicator. To reset the filter light, with the unit powered off, press the filter reset button 2 times within 1 second. The filter check indicator light will blink twice to indicate the timer has been reset and will then turn off. For any further questions, to purchase genuine Honeywell air purifier filters and pre-filters, or to browse our full line of Honeywell air purifiers, visit www.honeywellstore.com.